What's going on, guys? It's Connor from M Creek Renovations, and tonight we're installing handles on our kitchen cabinets. If you've ever installed handles before, you know you can run to Home Depot and kind of get this two-piece set of plastic jigs. Go ahead and throw those out because I got a better tool for you. We're going to be using this cabinet jig from King & Charles. I bought this on Amazon for around $25, give or take. There's three different tiers to it. There's a ABS one, which I believe is more of a plastic material. That runs you around like $17. This is $25. This is the metal version. And then there's the aluminum version for around $45. When you're installing cabinet pulls or any hardware in general, you want something nice and sturdy. You want a tool that's going to be very precise, especially when you're drilling into the face of the cabinet. It can be a little bit nerve-wracking sometimes. This definitely will put your mind at ease and just makes the job a lot more simpler. When you order this on Amazon, it comes in a box. You're gonna open up that box and the jig will be separated into three pieces in this cool little bag. Also, it comes with extra little knobs in case you lose them. Now onto the actual cabinet part. You're gonna pull this cabinet out, and what you wanna do is measure the length and the width of the face frame of the cabinet. So what I got here is around 14 and a half. Now you're gonna find the midpoint, 7 1/4, and then the width is 10 and a half, so that means it's 5 1/4. This is the hardware that we're gonna be installing today. My wife picked it out. Now I wanna adjust the sides to make it line up with these holes, something like that. Once that's all set, you're gonna take this little notch right here and you're gonna find the mark on the back side of the cabinet, and what you wanna do is just line these up. Now with this little striker, fit through a guide and make just a small puncture on the wood, and that's where you're gonna know where to actually drill the holes. Let's take this 3/16" drill bit, find those holes. They're very light. Now you're gonna take these are the screws that came with it. These screws are purposely made longer. You can see that they have grooves on it. Now what you wanna do is how much space you want and how thick that piece of cabinet is. So I'm gonna take down 2 notches. I'm gonna cut it right here with a pair of dikes. Now I'm gonna fit it in, and there we go, it's perfect. And there we go. Quick tip, this is about the 6th or 7th piece of hardware that I put in using this. Always double check right before you're about to drill. What I'm noticing now is that they start to get loose a little bit over time, but just before every time, just make sure that these little knobs are nice and tight. Make sure that the measurements lined up on the 0, exactly where you want it, just to triple check everything before officially drilling. All right, guys, that's all we got going on for tonight. I still have to do the pantry hardware. Claire hasn't picked one out yet, but it's coming here soon. You can actually use this for pantry doors, cabinet doors, drawers, anything that you need to add hardware to. This is very useful, but I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link for this down in the description below. But if you've liked this video, please like, comment, subscribe. I'm out of here, and I'll see you on the next one.